not take huge risks. Stay consistent and grow little by little. I miss a lot of setups with this. If you can blow up $100, you will blow up $10,000 or $1 lakh.
Hi, man. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. And how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. Thanks for doing the interview for FundedNext. If you could tell us a little about yourself, where you're from, bit of history, bit of trading history, bit of maybe are you part-time, full-time, that kind of thing?
Okay, sure. So my name is Aman Pawar and I'm 23 years old. I'm from India. I have done my graduation in BCom, that's commerce. And until 2020, I was national level badminton player, but due to COVID and some injuries, I cannot continue.
Oh, okay.
And so my trading journey has started in 2021. So in 2020, everybody was in home doing nothing, and some of were like, until 2021 I didn't know that forex market even existed. So in COVID I was searching for online businesses and how to make money at home.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for 6 to 8 months I was searching, and I have done courses in digital marketing. Okay. So in October 2021, suddenly I was added in a WhatsApp group about how to make money with Bitcoin. And there, okay, and there was one person who messaged that you should not add persons in group without knowing them, or you can say like that. And she messaged that I am doing very well in my life with Forex trading. So I got interested that what is she doing, what is Forex trading and everything. So I messaged her and she introduced me to Forex trading in October 2021. So there was a organization or firm called IX Global, which trains you and through them you trade. So that's how I started my trading.
Okay. So they taught you some strategies, or what? How does that work?
Yes. They have a subscription program where you pay 1 month subscription fee of $120 or something. For me at that time, because I was a student, so $120 per month for training was not
quite a lot.
That's a lot for me. Okay, so I did that for 2 months and I learned very basic about Forex trading, like base quote and what is leverage, a little bit about chart pattern. Then I started my Forex trading with YouTube videos. I learned very much from YouTube, and then self-taught myself.
Okay. So what did you learn from YouTube? What strategies did you learn? Have you focused on a particular type of technical analysis?
I have yes. I follow the strategy of supply and demand and trend line breakout. That's it. Because from start, everyone was telling that use this indicator, use that indicator. But your mind gets confused because one indicator is telling you to buy and another indicator is telling you to sell. So my brain was confused, like, should I sell or should I buy? And if I buy, it goes down a little bit. Then I cut my positions and then it went up. So I taught myself to do not use indicators and do it very simple. Keep it very simple. And that's it.
Yeah, read the price action. Yeah.
Yes, it's correct.
Yeah. Using too many indicators can be quite frustrating, because of course you just get into that analysis paralysis idea where one's telling you to buy, one's telling you to sell. So what do you do exactly? So okay. So what brought you to FundedNext?
FundedNext is the first prop firm which I got to know about, because I am following FundedNext before even it existed. Means I was in your group and I didn't know anything about prop firms. So I did my research that what is prop firm. That then I got to know if you pay a little subscription fee for huge amount. And I was following FundedNext from when we FundedNext began. So because of FundedNext keep its transparency, it's share everything on social media. It gives you an email. It tells you that how many traders have taken the trades, lot size, and everything. Main thing is transparency. FundedNext, I like the most about FundedNext is transparency. And FundedNext keep evolving themselves according to the trader. First, there was no news trading allowed in evaluation, but trader keeps telling you that you should add a news trading, or you should allow news trading in FundedNext, and FundedNext did that. Also about the payout system is very good. It's automatic and you receive within 24 hours, I guess. So that's what I like about FundedNext.
There's been some good changes lately. Yeah, no time limit changes, no news limits removed. It's been awesome. So you mentioned FX. Do you trade any particular pairs in particular? Do you have any favorites?
Yes, I trade particularly in gold, Euro USD, and USD JPY. And
so the majors. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay. And are you a day trader? How do you trade those assets?
I'm a scalper. I am thinking to grow myself to a day trader, but it requires a lot of psychology, and patience, and I'm developing that only. That's why I'm scalping, but I'm gaining more and more confidence to hold my trades. So hopefully in future I'll be a day trader.
Okay. So you say you're a scalper. So are you looking at the 1 minute chart?
No, I look at 5 minutes, and first I mark my zone in 1 hour time frame, whether it is demand or supply. Then when the price reaches my zone, I move to 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes and 3 minutes. Sometimes if the volume is too much, then I move to 15 minutes time frame, and then I look for confirmation, and then I take the trade.
Okay. So what's your, if you can say, what is your entry model? What are you looking for? And then what is your setup to get into a trade and get out of a trade?
So I usually take a trade when if it's in demand zone, I look for volume with a green candle. If there's a green candle with good volume, I take a trade, and if there's not, then I wait for the retracement. If retracement, and then I take a trade.
Okay, so you're using the broker volume to sort of indicate some kind of injection of liquidity.
Actually, I found one indicator which I am using, which helps me to take my trade. Then that is a smart money concept by Algo, I think. And it gives you, if you move to 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, it gives supply and demand zone for you. It marks the zone, and then you can trade accordingly. So if you are a beginner, it will help you a lot, and it has helped me a lot.
Okay, and that's for TradingView?
Yes, that's for TradingView.
Okay, so you're using some smart money concepts. Okay, cool. Yeah, like many traders out there. Okay, so you mentioned gold, euro, dollar, yen. Okay, so basically the majors, I guess, which are probably the best for scalping. So are you looking, you say you're a scalper, so what's your average trade time? What is it, like a few minutes, something like that?
Average trade time is about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Within an hour, I close my trades. That can I say.
Okay, and do you have some kind of criteria for, are you taking partials, taking full profit? What is your risk reward per trade? Do you have a certain set figure in mind before taking the trade?
No, I do not set my reward for profit, but I do have my loss limit set in my mind. If it's I would say, if my stop loss is 10 pips to 15 pips, I take trade with bigger lots. If my stop loss is like 15 to 25 pips, I take trade with medium lots, and so on.
Okay.
And
So you position size accordingly depending on what stop loss is required.
stop loss,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. What percentage of your account are you risking then, roughly per trade? Do you know?
1% is max.
1% max. Yeah.
1 to 1.5% is max I use.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. And have you back tested this strategy? Do you have a win rate? Do you have any statistics to prove that in the end it will compound?
I have used it on FundedNext only, and I blew my one account with that. But it's growing. It was my mistake that I used too big lot size for one trade, and I got my daily loss limit hit by $2.
Yeah. Okay. So you've learned your lesson there to sort of reduce the position size accordingly.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, are you currently funded at the moment, or are you going through an evaluation period?
No, I'm taking an express challenge, and I have completed 3% of that in 1 month. So I'm focusing on growing little by little rather than grow 15-20% in a month, or 10 to 12% in a month. Because when you try to grow 10 to 20, you take huge risks, and I have learned that do not take huge risks. Stay consistent and grow little by little.
Yeah.
That will help your mindset also and build up your confidence.
Yeah, that's where the express account's useful, because there is no time limit, so you basically can spend as long as you want grinding towards that profit target. So it's a Stellar account also has no time limit now, so there's no pressure on any trader to trade every day anymore. So things are getting much better in that respect. Do you have any other suggestions to FundedNext, how they could improve maybe the Express account or the Stellar account?
No, I have a suggestion for are you trying to allow news trading in Express? Why are you not allowing news trading in Funded challenge? Express challenge, I mean.
Okay, so you'd like them to drop the news restriction in the Express account?
Or at first, FundedNext had that you can place your trades before 5 minutes, and you can like have a stop loss or take profit. But after some time, FundedNext has removed that rule that you cannot take trade, and if your stop loss or take profit hit, it also violates the rule. So it would be, I think, as a express trader, express account trader, it would be better if I can have news trading, because I miss a lot of setups with this.
Okay, so you'd like to enter a trade during the news, or just prior to the news?
During the news, and 5 minutes to 10 minutes prior to the news.
Okay.
Because as I said, I am a scalper, and in news the movement is very fast, so it is beneficial for scalper. That's why that's my suggestion to you.
Okay. And I'm assuming that's what the major US data release at 8:30 Eastern.
Correct.
Okay. So you'd like to be able to trade that.
News and
other high impact red flag data at that 8:30 time. Sure. Okay. All right. Well, we can raise that with them. See what their answer is to it. Any suggestions to struggling traders out there who are struggling to get funded? I know you've already said take it easy, take it slowly. Don't risk too much. But do you have any other insights that you could possibly give them?
Don't start with huge capital, I would say. Start with small capital and try to make it grow little by little. If you can blow up $100, you will blow up $10,000 or $1 lakh. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how much capital you have. It matters how much consistent you are. If you are consistent enough and you have managed risk to reward ratio and risk management, then you will grow. And don't give up on trading. if you are serious, if you are doing it for casual like gambling, then I would suggest stay away from trading. But if you want to make a career out of it, I would say you should not give up.
Yeah, good advice. Yeah, start small. Maybe get a small evaluation account, maybe a 6K account. Yeah, and just slowly, grow it.
I would say FundedNext has kept its price very, very good for 15K and 6K. And I would suggest to start with $15K because it will give you a little bit of confidence. If you lose some, their daily limit is for 15K account is 750. So even if you lose 150 or $200, you can still make a comeback compared to 6K account.
Yeah,
so,
no, I agree.
And the price for evaluation 15K is only $99, and other prop firms are starting with 120, 140. So I would suggest.
Yeah, it's a good deal. $99 for a prop
$99.
account. And then at least you're trading in the environment, you're getting used to the platform, you're getting used to the restrictions, the discipline. So yeah, no, it's a good way to start for sure. There's no reason not to get a small account with a prop firm. Okay, Aman, thanks for your time. Good luck with the Express account. I've no doubt that you'll pass that challenge, and hopefully speak to you again.
I have passed in previously with 15K account, but in the next month when I got my funded account, I traded with I trade in the news, and that's why I violated the rules, and my account was frozen. But I'm trying again and again, and surely one day I'll get $1 million with FundedNext funded account.
I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will. Yeah.
A big payout. FundedNext.
I'll look out for that. Okay. Thanks for your time and all the best.
Thank you.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.